It's inflation taking centre stage this week with three risk events, two of which are worth covering. The first one is a European PMI print. Could see some moves in the euro, but it's far less reliable. So the first risk event I'm going to be focusing on this week is the UK CPI inflation coming out early morning on Wednesday UK time. So the big question here is, will sticky inflation keep the Bank of England not able to signal sequential rate cuts with any conviction, or will we see a sharp drop in inflation and hooray, the Bank of England can start looking at signalling sharp interest rate cuts coming to the second half of this year? So that's what markets will be looking at. That's definitely a risk event for us to cover. Could see some big moves in the pound on that. Then we have the Fed's preferred measure of inflation on Friday. That's the core PCE print, which could be a big market mover if we have an out of consensus print to the upside or the downside. So it's all about inflation this week with UK inflation data and US inflation data, which will be taking the major focus and is the main event of the week to close out on Friday. So I hope you can make it for some of these events.